If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
Don't forget to watch the video till the end to know the reason behind my happiness. So you must be wondering what I'm doing just now. So my friends have demanded for some packets of YY. So this is what I'm doing, packing all the possible noodles that's available in my hometown just now. So my packing's done, the final sellotape, and now I'm heading towards the tailor. So as you can see, I've dressed up my parcel really well in a nice white cloth. Now I am moving further on to the post office. I've never felt so successful in life. Oh my god, yes! Holding the menu is the most delightful thing, especially when it is so beautiful. This restaurant has very particular Bhutanese name that we have no clue about, so the pictures are always helpful.
So, what are we ordering, Trishna?
We are ordering. I wanted to drink suja. Suja is Bhutanese salted butter tea, but they don't have it. So we ordered this. This is gyuma. This is beef sausages. You can have it either in pork or beef. We ordered beef, and we ordered. This is dhachi. This is dried beef cooked in some cheese. And this is
my favorite.
no cheese favorite. Shikumpa. This is dried pork.
Let me focus.
This is so good.
Happiness!
So when the food is finally here, I can't tell you how good it smells. I wish I could somehow teleport this awesome smell to you guys. But we've got some red rice, some gyuma or beef sausages or pork sausages, some smoked beef in cheese, and some pork. Oh my god, this is going to be so good. Guys, this looks so good. Let's just plate it up and then dive straight in. Just look at this, guys. Smoked meat and cheese. How can this cuisine ever go wrong? But I can't tell you how much I hate editing videos and putting on voiceovers, because that means I'll have to rewatch all these videos, and it's 11 o'clock at night and I'm sitting here drooling on my phone. So the pork has always been my sister's favorite. It is really delicious, but this time the highlight for both of us was gyuma. These sausages are actually cylindrical and very long, so they cut it into pieces and they fry it and toss it with some onions. It's so good and so delicious.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
It's too good, eh? The gyuma is like really crunchy no outside. And inside so soft. Gyuma is so tasty.
Right now I'm just having gyuma. I think we should try pork gyuma also.
Let's skip dinner. We can have your dinner. We can skip dinner.
Zakhang has been one of my favorite restaurants ever since I've come back home after my masters. This restaurant was introduced to me by my very dear friends, and trust me, that is the best thing my friends have done to me. And even though I want to give a really nice review, but all I can focus is the pork hanging in front of my screen. And oh, this glorious bite. I think I will have to head back to Zakhang again very soon. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, but the food was so good. I could eat 7 of these more without a doubt. So as we continue with our chitter and chatter, guys, I would like to thank you for joining in, And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.
Chichi, why are we walking? Digesting Zakang's food. We are digesting.